Hi everyone, thank you for watching my Tory Burch unpacking video, and let's see what we got here. Okay, so let me pull some detail on this bag. This is Tory Burch small Chevron metallic leather camera bag with glamorous golden logo hardware and faded metallic finish. So this shoulder chain is adjustable. There's two interior slip pockets and size is 7.25 here to 5 and to 2.5 deep here. Well, retail price is $3.98 and I got it from Saks Fifth Avenue website. It was on sale and I paid $208 for it, so it's almost 50% off. It's an adorable goldish silverish color. There is a Tory Burch logo up here, and this is like in a dark gold color. Inside there is a Tory Burch logo here, and there is a zip pocket up there and two small pockets here. The strap is also like dark goldish. It's kind of heavy, but it's very cute and I like it anyway. So this is adjustable strap, so it's very easy to adjust whatever length you need for this bag. I'm very satisfied with my purchase and it looks so cute and adorable. Thank you for watching my Tory Burch unpacking video, and I see you soon with more stuff to unpack.